Hi everyone, welcome to week 5. So you did a great job last week, especially for the case study activities. I really enjoy reading your reflections. So next week, we are going to learn something about digital identity, which is also a very hot topic in this digital world. So now I'm going to show you the week 5 page. So this week we have 5 tasks in total. The first one is the introduction for this whole week content. And the second one is the framework as a topic this week. So in this digital world, there are three very hot topics, which is digital literacy, digital citizenship, and digital identity. So for the digital literacy, people need to learn how to use technology to produce some authentic products. And for the digital citizenship, people need to learn how to use the technology appropriately. So this week we are going to learn one of the hot topics, which is digital literacy. So please read this paragraphs before you start your week, before you start this week. And this week we have two main assignments. The first one is a reading assignment. So we still have two articles and one videos from the TED Talk. So please read these two articles and watch this video very carefully. And also you need to share your reflection in the Canvas system. So there are still two deadlines. One is this Sunday, and the second one is next Tuesday. So please remember that. So and last thing we are going to do next week is the seek and share activity. So it's a great chance for you to find some your favorite scholars or your favorite topics or favorite articles you want to share with us. So you can use Google Scholar to find and to search the keywords like the digital identity, like the internet, some things. Find some articles, videos you want to share with us. So please share your findings in the week 5 seek and share activity. Also, please add a brief paragraph to explain the key ideas of this materials you want to share and let other classmates to understand in a short time. So that's all for this week. Hope you will enjoy the content this week, and I will see you next Wednesday. Thank you so much for hard working.